Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'll be doing an ice cream smoothie blend for you. This one is a must try and a must have. So stay tuned, you won't regret it. So my favorite ice cream is grape nut. So I'll be adding a couple of spoons to the blender. Alright, so you add the ice cream first and then some of the cookies. It's chocolate chip cookies. And then you add a little bit of water. You can add some cow's milk if you want, or a little rum cream, but I won't be using that. I'm just using the ice cream and the cookies. Alright, so we're gonna try some now. And because the ice cream and the biscuit is sweet, so the juice will be sweet. All right, so cheers and let's begin. You have to try this one at home. You won't regret it. It tasted so nice. I enjoyed every bit. So thanks for watching, and God bless you all.